The automatic needle threader of the Husqvarna Viking Designer EPIC 2 is just that. It's epic. Once people get to using this needle threader, they wonder what they did without it. Most people are like, oh yeah, that's cute, until you start to use it. This is one thing that our customers always rave about. So no matter what, you can just go ahead, thread the machine down to the last guide above the needle. Then lift the thread up into the little arm, cross it over into the little mouth and click it in so you can see it's actually holding it now. And then take your thread over the corner and pull towards you. That cuts it to the perfect length. Next, you're going to touch the needle threader button. After this, just notice you sit back and watch. The presser foot lowers. If the needle wasn't in its highest position, it would have raised to the correct location for that needle threader to hook up with the eye of the needle. Now, for any reason you have a needle that is bent and you didn't know it, it might not work. So do make sure that if it's been a while, change your needle. Make sure that you're not doing a needle too small. A size 70 needle can sometimes not, I'm going to say mostly doesn't work with a needle threader. You can try it, but if it doesn't pull the thread through, it's just because that eye is so small. Don't forget, if you're using a small needle, you have to be using thinner thread. So size 75, 11, that's kind of that size that needle threader will work well with. Again, it's just that easy. And when you use this with embroidery to change between all those embroidery colors, it is awesome. Now, you can take the thread and slide it down underneath the presser foot, or if you choose to, just go ahead and sew. It will take that thread, it's just short enough that it won't matter, and then you can use the scissor button to cut the thread, and it will stay right where you need it to be.